follow the great leaders to become the great leaders. I'll begin with the quote of Honorable Principal Sir today, narrated here. I wish my warm good morning to all distinguished dignitaries and the joyous names of the school. Children, good morning. The program began with Thaan Liya Humne. It was a wonderful dance where the children showed their resolution, their determination. It was followed by wonderful march past showing the importance, significance of various folk colors. Here I see the students and I think they would move ahead with those importance of colors and spread them over here. Let us move towards today's learning. What all we learn today. Honorable Moite sir, मेरे साहित्यिक मित्र भी हैं. चिल्ड्रन बहुत बड़ी लर्निंग है. ड्रीम बिग. छोटा ड्रीम नहीं देखना है. ड्रीम बिग. बट फॉर दैट वर्क हार्ड. सक्सेस विल बी योर्स. सक्सेस विल बी योर्स. एक और बड़ी लर्निंग आज की, विच आई बिलीव इन द हार्ट ऑफ माई हार्ट, दैट इज रीडिंग हैबिट्स. हमेशा ये कहा जाता है कि कुछ पढ़ के सो, कुछ लिख के सो. तो इट्स अ बिग थिंग. बहुत बड़ी लर्निंग आज हमें मिली है डियर स्टूडेंट. डोंट लीव रीडिंग हैबिट्स. वी हैव a number of epics, literary books are there, library is filled. Read the things. Honorable Charity sir, our chairman sir, his precious presence is only a big blessing. I always take him a big banyan tree whose shade is always with us. Well, I have been invited here for vote of thanks. I extend my hearty gratitude to these two distinguished dignitaries who were present here, who blessed us with their precious presence and with their wonderful words. Definitely learning was there. I extend my sincere gratitude towards all the teams, all the committees who had been working for this wonderful, beautiful program. I also extend my gratefulness towards the students who had been watching and as well as learning the things happening today based on leadership. I extend all my blessings, best wishes to this future leader of this future nation, the fabulous nation, to take it to the heights. Last but not the least, a big thank to our principal sir, Mr. Yogesh Joshi, who is always there in a happy and joyous mood to take an impetus ahead. Thank you so much.